As a tropical country with quite high rainfall, the threat of flooding often lurks in all areas and regions in Indonesia, and it's not uncommon for floods to hit and cause a clean water crisis.
Investing for clean water is a basic need has been expressed in first regional and even state regulation. It will be a shame if the needs of human life could not be accommodated together.
That's why we are here to bring innovation to overcome the problem of clean water in Indonesia.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Bunga Kania Rahmadhani and my college
Nailatul Atsurayya.
We are from Manila, Madrasah Aliyah Negeri 1 Lamongan.
Here we would like to present our innovation with the title
Power Portable Flute Water Filter from Sugarcane Bagasse and Water Hyacinth to maintain the availability of clean water in flood-prone areas in Lamongan. As a tropical country with high rainfall, Indonesia often experiences flood, including the Lamongan area, which is one of the vulnerable lowland area or area that frequently experience flood. The month with the most rain in Lamongan is January, with an average rainfall of 282 mm, while the month with the last rainfall in Lamongan is August, with an average rainfall of 9 mm. The rainy season usually lasts 5.6 months, while the dry season lasts 6.4 months, almost equivalent to half of year being rainy and half of the years being dry.
When rainfall is high and the potential for flooding increases, clean water standard need to be considered because water in the rainy season can be used as a clean water reserve in the dry months. However, the turbidity level of flood water is very high, exceeding the maximum limit permitted by clean water standard. Therefore, flood water needs to be filtered first so that it is suitable for use as a water reserve during the long dry season in the Lamongan areas in particular.
To produce clean water and achieve maximum result, water treatment requires the right filter media. However, the filtering that is commonly used among the public use a mixture of various chemicals that are not good for the body health, like chlorine as an oxidizer to kill bacteria. Calcium hydroxide is used to increase the pH of water and assist in the land control process. Also, aluminum sulfate is used to reduce the phosphate content.
In fact, there are plants that have potential as cleaning agent because they have a high cellulose content, namely 60%, 8% hemicellulose, and 17% lignin. The plant is water hyacinth, which is able to absorb heavy metal content in water. Not only water hyacinth, there is also the potential to use sugarcane bagasse, which has 30% cellulose, so it has the potential to become a water purifying agent. Indirectly, this is also overcomes the problem of accumulating sugarcane waste because productivity also increases.
From the background above, we are proud to introduce an environmentally friendly flood water filter called Power Portable Water Filter, which is an innovative flood water filter made from bagasse and water hyacinth.
There are three problem statements of our research, namely, first, how to make Power Portable Water Filter from sugarcane bagasse and water hyacinth. 2. How effective Power Portable Water Filter from sugarcane bagasse and water hyacinth. Third, what is mechanism of Power? The process to make Power start from, first, wash the bagasse and water hyacinth until clean, then cut into small pieces, then dry using an oven at 200 degrees Celsius for approximately 15 minutes. Then for sample that contain activated carbon, the bagasse and water hyacinth are burned until they become ash. Then activate using HCl from 3 hours after activation, wash until clean, then put in the oven again until dry, and to make the carbon we add tapioca flour so that it can be shaped like small rocks. And then arrange filter layer from bottom, start from cotton, sponge, bagasse, and water hyacinth. We made 4 different samples to determine the effectiveness of this portable water filter. Sample 1, dried water hyacinth 3 grams, dried bagasse 3 grams. Sample 2, activated charcoal water hyacinth 3 grams, dried bagasse 3 grams. Sample 3, dried water hyacinth 3 grams, activated charcoal bagasse 3 grams. Sample 4, activated charcoal water hyacinth 3 grams, activated charcoal bagasse 3 grams. Every sample add with house sponge and cotton 5 centimeters.
After we differentiated the into various sample, we carried out several tests, namely pH, color, aroma, and crushing tests. 1. The result obtained from the pH test of our sample were above to make the water neutral pH cell 7. 2. The result obtained from the color test were the sample 1 and the classes and parents compared to the older sample because it did not change the color to yellow unlike the older 3 sample. 3. In the aroma tests, our sample were able to make flowed water non-toxic pungent aroma. 4. In the clarity test, sample 1 is the sample with the clarity result compared to the older sample.
The water hyacinth plant has the potential to purify the color of water and reduce unpleasant odor from wastewater. The ability of sugarcane bagasse as a filter media can increase quality of fluid water. It has ligand compounds, contains phenolic acid and cellulose, contains carboxyl group which help the adsorb process in binding metals. The cotton media used can clear water from dirt and small organisms in cloudy water. The function of the sponge is to absorb water deposit which make the water color cloudy.
Bagasse, which is the remnant of sugarcane after sugar processing, tends to be alkali and has a high organic mineral content and can maintain a more natural pH balance in food water than dried water hyacinth has an important role in purifying food water and reduce the odor the areas. Therefore, filter with the addition of water hyacinth, it has a higher percentage of purifying food water.
From a series of tests in our tool, it can be concluded that the best sample is sample 1. The research results show a decrease in the value of the fluid water research parameters. The pH becomes 7, the color does not change to yellow, there is no aroma, and the water becomes clear. The best sample is sample 1 with 3 grams of dried water sugarcane bagasse and 3 grams of dried water hyacinth.
The following are the advantages of power. 1. Does not contain chemical. 2. Environmentally friendly. 3. Raw material are easy to obtain the environment around Lamongan.
That's all from our team presentation. We believe that our innovation benefits our environment.
Power, let's make water in Indonesia get better. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.